Get ready for a thunderous spectacle as rare locomotives descend upon Devon for an unforgettable weekend. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't your average train ride, it's a full-throttle celebration of Britain's diesel heritage. And it's bound to captivate both seasoned trainspotters and curious newcomers alike. Mark your calendars for Saturday, November 8th, and Sunday, November 9th, as the South Devon Railway transforms into a living museum of vintage locomotive power. Following the overwhelming success of last year's one-day event, this year's Diesel Gala has been expanded to a two-day extravaganza, promising double the action and nostalgia. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the trains, it's about the stories they carry. Imagine witnessing the Class 04S D2246 and D2271, the Class 25 number 25262, and the Class 33 number 3300, two roaring along the picturesque route between Buckfastleigh and Totnes Riverside. Each locomotive has its own tale, from hauling aggregates to being meticulously restored to its former glory. Controversy alert: while some purists argue that modern trains are more efficient, there's an undeniable charm to these vintage beasts. Isn't there something magical about hearing the rumble of a diesel engine echoing through the countryside? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you team vintage or team modern? Adding to the excitement, two Class 56 locomotives from Devon and Cornwall Railways, numbers 56,045 and 56103, will make a special appearance. One will be in operation each day, while the other will be on static display, giving visitors a unique up-close experience. Class 56 number 56045, freshly restored in July 2025, is particularly noteworthy. Its authentic livery has earned industry accolades, and its return to the West Country is a poignant moment for rail enthusiasts. Ernie Ellsworth Wilson, General Manager of South Devon Railway, shared his enthusiasm. This year's event is a labor of love. With an intensive timetable, onboard buffet and bar services, and the debut of a Class 56 on our branch line, it's an experience like no other. But here's a thought-provoking question: as we celebrate these relics of the past, are we doing enough to preserve them for future generations? David Fletcher, Group Director for Rail at Kappa, emphasized the importance of community support, thanking the DC Rail staff who volunteered to make this event possible. Passengers can expect more than just a train ride, it's a journey through time. With onboard refreshments and the rhythmic clatter of heritage locomotives, it's an immersive experience that engages all the senses. Early bird tickets are available until Sunday, November 2nd, offering discounted rates for those who book in advance. Don't miss this chance to witness history in motion. For more details and to secure your tickets, visit www.southdevonrailway.co.uk. And remember, this isn't just an event, it's a tribute to the golden age of rail. What's your take? Are vintage locomotives worth preserving, or should we focus on modern advancements? Share your thoughts below.